So guys, welcome to day 13 of our design challenge. I know a lot of you have been participating in the challenge and I want to appreciate you all. So today I'm going to walk you through the design process behind this stunning birthday flyer. All you need to do is for you to watch this video to the end, and I bet you are going to understand the mechanics behind this wonderful birthday flyer you can see right now on your screen. So without further ado, let's dive into it. So guys, this is my workspace. We are going to be using the default dimension in your PixelLab, which is 1280 by 1280. Now I'm going to import the background of the birthday flyer. So guys, this is the background. Now stretch it, make sure it covers your workspace. Yes. In case you don't know, I downloaded this background from Pinterest, so lock it. Now let's import the image of the celebrant or the pictures of the celebrant because it is a 3-in-1 picture. So guys, this is the celebrant and she has 3 pictures and we'll be making use of it. Some of you don't know that most of the images I used to create some of my designs, I got them online. So that is it guys. It's not as if I have a special place where I saved some of the pictures I'm using to create designs. No, I go online and search for them and I download them. So place this one here, quickly copy it, delete the one behind and bring this here. Wow, this is our celebrant. She's beautiful. Hope you know. Yes, she's beautiful, and that was why I decided to make use of this image. So increase the brightness. Okay, then go to contrast, increase it. Okay, now click on the good icon. Beautiful. Go ahead and lock the image. Now let's import the birthday write-up. I've already worked on it, so I want to import it. So this is what I'm talking about. So crop this unnecessary part out, crop this part out. Beautiful. Reduce it, place it here, reduce it again. Okay, this is okay. Click on it, copy it, delete the one behind, go to position, centralize it, and take it up, move it to this side. Okay, so guys, let's write her name. Go to your A icon, go to text, edit. Her name is Oluchi. I know most of you are not Igbo. Some of you that are watching this video are not Nigerian. I know you don't understand Igbo. Yes, her name is Oluchi. So go to font. We'll be using 6.0 regular. Now go to color. This is the color we'll be making use of, and this is the color code B45814. That's the color code. So place it here, go to relative position, make sure it's at the center. Now click on this, take it to back of her picture, bring it down. Yes, copy it again, take it to back, then bring it down, place it here. Now copy it again, move it to the back. Yes, so place it here. Hope you understand what I've done. I know you understand. So guys, let's write the date of our birthday. So I'm going to import something quickly. So guys, we'll be making use of this. Yes, click on your good icon, reduce it, place it here, stretch it, reduce it again. Okay, go to relative size. Let's reduce it from here, place it here. Now go to color, enable it, be using this color. Yes. Now the date of her birthday is 5th July 2025. Go to your AI icon. Okay. 5th July 2025. So bring it there, place it here. Go to font. We'll be using Montserrat Medium. So guys, go ahead and place it here. Go to size. Please, if you know that you are gaining value from this video, don't forget to like the video, share the video, comment, and also subscribe. Go to spacing, increase it. Yes, that's okay. And go back to position, bring it down, take it up a little. Okay, that is it, guys. We are done with this birthday flyer design. It's a quick design. I know many of you are surprised. This tutorial video is not even up to 15 minutes. I had to make it short because you guys have been doing well all this while, and I really want to appreciate you all. Thank you for your support. Thank you for always commenting, always liking, for always sharing my video. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you tomorrow, which happens to be day 14. I still remain your favorite graphic designer, Vixen Tech. See you tomorrow. And do well to watch the next video that is going to pop up on your screen right now.